So now taking these topics and learning them somehow is like a little challenge.
That's what I told you. It's not about AI. People are behind AI.
But when we are using our brain and thinking of that image, it sticks in the mind.
They don't understand if you are joining my class to memorize, you want to crack any exam or you want to remember something. Yes, ma'am, I see you took a random topic and you've tried to memorize. So how easy it was? What clarity you got after learning this?
Yes, sir, it was very random. I just took the topic which I was thinking to do it for the students. So I thought, let's just first learn it myself and then maybe I'll take it.
Good.
So when we are actually reading a particular subject and we are through it, half of it we know, then it's easy to memorize. Like reading
Correct.
all these subjects after ages. Like I completed my 10th in 2002 and it's been so many years. I haven't even touched these type of topics and like competition, never even gone for that competition. My background is also architecture, so never done all these type of topics before. So now taking these topics and learning them somehow is like a little challenge.
See, that's what we want now. Now, when you are teaching the same to your students, what will be their feeling and how confident are you now that we can make them memorize things?
Sir, I feel very much confident. Like I was doing the mind map, and when I did it for the periodic table, although I was not very confident that I'll be able to do the periodic table thing or not, but I found it little easy. When we are doing it in the branches, there is a sort of clarity that comes along with it. So
Correct.
this is what I have found when we are creating these images, like when we are doing it by hand, I find it much more easy to memorize. It goes in the brain.
Correct.
Because we are thinking about the pictures also. When AI do it,
Correct.
we are just copying it. But when we are using our brain and thinking of that image, it sticks in the mind.
That's what I told you. It's not about AI. People are behind AI. They don't understand if you are joining my class to memorize, you want to crack any exam or you want to remember something. AI will just give you ideas. It's not ultimate. Okay? Ultimately, if you do it, nothing like that. That's what we want.
Biome is a large geographical area on the Earth which has specific type of climate, plants, and animals. It's like a large natural community. The main type of terrestrial biomes are tundra, which are mostly snow, which is mostly cold, and snow soil. And the main type of very less plants and animals, mostly moss and vegetation, animals like polar bear and reindeer. Second is taiga, which is cold.
Imagine saving 2 hours every single day. Imagine walking into exams with this kind of confidence. Imagine learning any chapter in minutes, not hours. That's what Deepak wants for every student and every parent watching this. Want to experience the same transformation? Join Deepak 10 Times Memory Boost Masterclass today.